This tutorial shows you how to customize a scatterplot in SPSS. After creating a scatterplot with the default options, you will get something similar to this. In order to customize your plot, double-click it and the chart editor will open. The first thing you want to edit is the chart title by double-clicking it. Either make it snappier or delete it completely when you are going to use it in a paper that uses captions anyway. The next step would be to adjust the axes labeling. You have to left-click twice, but with a pause in between to change the text. For any text or number, you can change font family, size and color with a right-click on the respective element and select Properties window. Make sure you are in the Text Style tab to get these options. To adjust decimals, scaling and so forth, for labels on the axes, click on the Number Format tab in the Properties window. For very large and very small numbers, the scientific notation is available. By going to the Scale tab, you can adjust the displayed range for the axes by changing minimum, maximum and increment. You can also change the type of scale from linear to, let's say, logarithmic, power and so forth. The Labels and Ticks tab allows you to change the orientation as well as displaying major and minor ticks and their respective format, inside, outside or through. A few words regarding grid lines. If you want additional grid lines, select them and open the Properties window for them, and under the Grid Lines tab, select Placement of Grid Lines at major and or minor ticks. Under the Lines tab, you can format them in regard to weight, style and color. You can also make them transparent if you want to hide them, or simply click the Hide Grid Lines button in the Options toolbar. Lastly, let's discuss the possibilities for the data points, also called markers in SPSS. You can change the size, shape and color of the data points by going through the Properties and selecting the Marker tab. You can define a different type and size of marker and change the fill and border color if applicable. If you want to label certain data points, you can select the Data Label mode and simply left-click the points to be labeled. In case you want all points to be labeled, select them and choose Show Data Labels. The data labels can also be formatted. By default, the case number is displayed. You can alter that by going to the Data Value Labels tab and, for example, move the variables you want the values displayed for to the top field. The label positions can be altered for all data points and also for single data points, the latter being a bit tedious, of course. The style of the label can be changed in the Fill and Border tab, Text Style tab and Text Layout tab. The Number Format tab also allows you to change decimals, scaling and so forth, like with the labels on the axes. If you're tired of formatting your charts or need to create multiple charts with the same settings, you might want to create and apply chart templates, which is shown in the following video.